Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make real gelato easy method. Begin by gently warming whole milk with a touch of cream and any flavor infusion, then whisk egg yolks with sugar to a ribbon stage. Temper the yolks with warm milk, return to gentle heat until thickened, cool the custard quickly, age it in the fridge, and churn slowly for a dense, creamy gelato ready to serve. Gathering the right ingredients and tools makes all the difference. Use whole milk and just enough cream to keep gelato dense, plus fresh egg yolks and granulated sugar. Measure everything precisely, have a thermometer and fine sieve ready, and chill your tools and custard well. If you have an ice cream maker or frozen canister, use it for the best texture, but I'll share tips if you don't have one. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. I use Little Tree's black ice, and it makes the drive feel fresh while I think about gelato flavors. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Flavoring choices and churning technique create character and mouthfeel. Infuse milk early with ingredients like citrus peel, espresso, or cocoa, then strain before combining with yolks. Chill the custard until cold, then churn slowly until it reaches a soft, dense consistency. Timing varies by machine. Add any nuts, chocolate, or fruit pieces after churning to maintain a smooth gelato with pleasant inclusions and balanced flavor throughout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.